Oh, I see. That's the line.
The phone thing kind of came along by accident. Found an old piece of phone equipment in the garage.
What is that? That's the third over. What is that strapped for? That's a relay.
Partially inspired by other projects that were doing exactly the same thing, putting payphones out in public spaces and making them free. But it was also driven by living in rural Vermont for a period of time and knowing that, wow, we have no cell service out here and public telephones don't exist anymore. The community could really benefit from something like this. The first phone was installed at the North Tunbridge General Store.
So that's another 5 and a 10.
There's no cost to the host at all. I pay for the phone lines.
Everyone's pretty surprised, and they're like, is that a real payphone? Does that really work? And I'm like, yeah, but it doesn't cost any money now. We have had people use it that broke down. It's a great thing because, service is so spotty in Vermont. Back in the day, you put your dime in and you could call pretty much from any town. But now it's all cell phones, no pay phones. And if you don't have service, you can't make an emergency call. It's great. Everybody loves it.
I have 16-year-old twins, and we brought them here right after they installed it. And I told them, I said, do you know what this is? Do you know what a dial tone is? And so we talked about it, and they thought it was quite interesting and quite a novelty.
I saw you at the show down here. I don't know how much.
No, those are my kids that were on the news.
Oh,
I wasn't on it. I was
in the beer bowl. I was in the beer bowl. No, the Civics.
It does make me feel safer if the kids are out and about, that if they had an emergency up this way, that they could stop and use this. I think these are a great service.
To actually hear it ring, to pick it up and have a dial tone, I think there's real power in that. And I don't think they should end up in a landfill. I think they should be recycled and put to good use.